Hello friends, Namaste. So today we are going to solve the problems related to isometric projections of solids. In the previous videos we have seen how to draw the isometric projection of planes, but in this we are going to see the how to construct the isometric projections of solid. Here today we are going to solve the problem related to square prism, square pyramid and frustum of square pyramid. Now let us see how to draw the square prism. So to solve this problem, you should know the basic, that is basic of isometric projection of planes. If you have not seen my videos related to the isometric projection of planes, I suggest you to please go through those videos, then you can able to understand these kind of problems. Okay. Now the problem is been given over here like this. Draw the isometric projection of square prism of base side is how much? 40 mm and height is 60 mm. For this I have drawn the top view and also the front view. Okay. Now as I told, first you have to draw what? We have to draw the base, that is a square. In the previous video I have shown you how to draw the isometric projection of a square. See, I have drawn an isometric projection of a square. So that is the base of this square prism. So what is the height which has been given? Height is how much? 60 mm. So this is the actual scale. How to convert this actual scale to isoscale? We have to multiply the conversion factor, that is 0.816. So that is one method. So that we already been discussed in the previous classes. Or else you can construct the iso scale like this. So this is isometric sheet. See, I have drawn one line on an isometric sheet. I just named it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. So now how much is the height? 60 mm. So therefore how much I am going to measure with the help of compass? From 0 I am going to take the measurement up to 6, that is a 60 mm. So this is what? ISO 60. So you can convert this into by multiplying conversion factor 0.816, or else to reduce the time. So I am going to use this method. That is I am going to construct the ISO scale on the isometric sheet. From there only I am going to directly take the measurement of 60. See here, after drawing the isometric projection of a square plane, from each of the corners I am going to draw a lines above. See, like this I am drawing the line upwards. So it must be thin line. See, all the lines which I am drawing right now, it must be thin line. I've got this one. Next, what is the height of the square prism? It is 60 mm, right? From all the corners I am going to cut ISO 60. How much is this? This is the ISO 60. Got this? Now with the help of scale I am going to mark all this. So this is also must be thin. Initially in isometric projections everything should be drawn with the thin line only. Don't make it dark. Okay. So this is how I am going to draw it. So what is the naming I am going to give? See, this is a B, C, T. Okay, you got this one. In the same way we can also locate the square, right? This is a center. Okay, how to locate the center? From here also I am going to cut the arc. So how much is this? This is a O. Clear? So now it is the time to draw the visible edges. See, only the visible edges must be dark. So after drawing the isometric projection everything must be light. So now I am going to draw what? the visible. See, the top face is visible, so therefore what? See, that must be dark. So dark line I am going to mark with the help of a sketch pen, so that you can easily identify in this video. But while you are doing, so that must be with the help of pencil only. See this top face is visible, right? Okay, and which are the top corners are visible? D, A, B. C is at the back, so therefore these are D, A, B are nearer to the observer. Therefore corresponding vertical edges, that is D to D1, A to A1, B to B1, and then A1 to B1, then D1 to, see, only this must be dark. So the C to C1, it is a invisible, therefore it should not be dark. We are not going to test that one. That's all. Only the visible edges must be dark. I hope you understood, right? Okay. So next one we are going to take in this video only the second problem. What is that? Draw the isometric projection of square pyramid of base is how much? 40 mm and height is how much? 60 mm. So for this I have written the top view and also the front view. Next, what is the base? Base we have a square, right? Of how much side? Of base is 40. So first we have to construct the square. It is already been shown over here. So what is the next thing? Height is how much? It is 60 mm. So with the help of compass we have to measure how much? ISO 60, or else you have to multiply the conversion factor. So this is a ISO 60. Now with the O I am going to cut the arc above, and also I am going to draw the vertical line from O1. See where this cuts, so this is the O. Got this one? So this is the O, right? So now it is the time for us to write the visible edges. See, A1, B1, D1 is nearer to the observer. Only these the slant edges which are going from these corners, that is D1, A1, B1 will be dark. That is D1 to O1, O to D, D1. Next D1 to A1, next A1 to B1, then B1 to O. See, and also the corresponding slant edge from A1 to O, it will be dark. So this is the isometric projection of what? Square pyramid. So this is a square prism. Okay, so in the next video we are going to see how to construct the frustum of square pyramid. Okay, thank you. Namaste.